so they can see it.
Okay, so
Okay, today we're making backlit slime with Gallon of Elmer's glue.
shaving.
Shaving cream. Focus camera. Activator. Just contact solution. Dawn dish soap. And lotion.
And baking soda.
And baking soda. And forks. I'm kidding, not really, but it's fun to think of. We need a slime to get all the gunk off.
Yeah. I can just go wash mine. Yeah, I'll just go do that. I'll be right back.
I don't think that one. So she said she'll be right back, but okay. My bathroom's just right around that corner. So, yeah. I'll take that one. Are we gonna add color? CG?
What?
Are we gonna add color?
So first, what would we do first? Like, what would we do last? This.
No, don't add anything yet.
Okay, I'll just open some.
Yeah, open.
Because it might get, yeah, it might get messy.
So open everything.
Pop, 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 pop.
Pop, pop, pop.
What food coloring are you gonna use?
IDK right now, but
I think I'll do blue.
we're just doing these food coloring.
Gel.
I think, yeah, gel food coloring. I think I'm gonna do purple actually. Not the O word. Ew.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go first.
Yeah, moving around, get it wet.
I'm gonna spray it.
Yeah, just.
It's good. Here, you want me to add this, right?
No. Then,
Oh, good. Oh,
no.
yeah.
It'd be shaving cream.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it would.
This just came off the shaving cream. Where's my hand?
There it is.
It's just foam. That's weird. I feel so weird pouring this in. And then we're gonna mix with our forks.
Here, I used a lot. Oops, it was.
Well, 'cause you have a bigger bowl in there. We're gonna mix this. I kind of feel weird doing this. We might have to add more activators.
Yeah.
Oh, do we even mention to them what we're doing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're making backwards time.
We already
And then
said
it'd
that. I think.
be lotion.
Comment down below if we didn't say that.
Yeah. Then it'd be lotion.
Yeah. Do you have like, not even.
I have some left. Plus I have more lotion.
That's good. Thank you, June.
Luckily, now we have this lotion. Blue lotion. Oh, get me a pump of that. I'll get me a pump of that. I'll get you another pump. And we mix this.
Then we would add the Dawn dish soap.
Then we'll be using Dawn dish soap. Now we're mixing it. My sheep can melt it.
Mine did too. I made slime backwards before, but not on this channel. I just made it by
yourself?
Yeah.
Now it should be baking.
No,
Color. I'm using gel purple, neon purple.
I can't open this, Juno.
I'm using neon purple.
And Gigi, draw the color. These are our colors, guys. Where do you get these gel pens? I can never find them.
I got them at Walmart.
Really? I can never find them. Did you fart?
No.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I fart. It was my little sister.
Okay.
She farted. That was bad. Oh my god, that really I can smell it. Ugh. My freaking melted.
Yeah, mine did too. But it comes together and she put glue in it. So here's what mine looks like.
Here's what mine looks like. It's water. Why is yours so fluffy?
Because I had more shaving cream. Gina, you can't do that. Gina, the whole point of whatever.
I just had it a little bit.
Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit more to it because you did.
But yours is like coming together.
Gina, you can't.
You can't.
Well, you did, so then I did. To make it fair.
Okay. I got
Okay, now we'll do the baking soda.
Yeah, pinch.
Okay, I got it. I have big fingers. Well, they're not long, but they're fat. I need more. I need a lot more.
I need a lot more too.
You got a lot, Gigi. I know.
That's sort of coming together right away.
Yeah, I know. I didn't put a lot.
Hey, you did.
No, I didn't, Gina.
Now time for the big chunk of glue.
And pull up a little bit.
Okay, I'll just some glue.
Thank you.
Oh god, you freaking spill. I'll go with the napkins.
Okay.
Run. Here we go.
Gina.
Sorry, it's addicting. A little better. Rip one off. So I just use a napkin, guys. Hey, all the getting satisfying. This is not working at all.
Mine is.
I'm gonna think more activator, guys.
Mine's working really good.
Good for you. Great life. Great life. This isn't her cereal milk, it's her buttercream. Yeah, I don't know what I just said, so
Yeah,
please
neither
don't
do
ask
I,
in
Jane.
comments. Don't ask in comments, guys, or I'm gonna sue you.
Gina, you're right.
No, I wasn't lying. And by no means, we are not slime perfectionists. So don't hate. Wow, flush you down the toilet.
What?
That's us to do on Musical.ly. You got haters, just flush them down the toilet.
Yeah, go follow our Musical.ly. Hers is Adjuna Coil 10 and mine is Gigi Noel Roberts.
Guys, want to know her middle name?
That's my middle name.
Oh, mine's really good, but it's kind of chunky. That's her middle name, guys. You can do Q&A.
Her middle name is Anne Marie.
Guys, I hate her. That's top secret information.
I told you my middle name, like without any problems. I was like, am I no. You guys,
I don't like people stalking me.
Gina, You're the most weirdest kid I've ever met.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I know, that's a compliment. No, Gage, yesterday, yesterday, he was like, you're such an asshole. I'm like, thank you.
Thank you. That's my dream.
And then he's like, shut up. I'm like, no, thank you. And then he said,
thank you. Nothing.
and then he's like, geez, you're weird. I'm like, thank you. And he's like, get out of my room. I'm like, you're in my room.
Sorry about that. The activator was wrong.
Yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, me neither. I just look at the camera and be like,
Bitch, get out of there.
if you get that on my carpet, oh my god.
I'm not gonna get it on your carpet.
Here's how mine turned out. It's purple.
We could do a cotton candy thing.
Yeah!
Okay. 1 second. Mine's not ready yet.
Yeah, mine's not ready either. I'm more active. Later. I'm freaking freezing.
You should have done pink.
It's fine. These two colors should go together anyway.
Yeah, I know. But pink would be better. No, I'm kidding. Should I add a little bit more blue, or do you think it's
No, that's perfect cotton candy blue, actually. Trust me.
Yeah, I ate cotton candy all the time. Actually, how do I not know this shit? Okay, so this is my slime. As you can see, it's really good. That's Gina's slime. And yeah, we're just gonna do the slime snake with it. So, yeah.
A famous cotton candy.
Yeah, the fan is cold. Should we use my bowl to do it?
No, let's just mix it.
Okay. I'm trying to get all the slime.
I'm trying to get all the slime out of this one too. Gosh dang it.
The slime is like so cool.
I'm feeling. This slime is awesome.
Okay.
I don't like mine.
This is good. Like it would make a cool texture when we put it together.
Yeah.
We're gonna be doing a slime review in the next video.
Yes, with all of our slimes. So yeah. Okay, like that.
So you ready?
Yes. So roll them. I gotta get the fan to see this.
Okay. Let me get the camera.
So now
You can mix it.
Mix them.
I'll just hold the camera.
Look how satisfying that is, people. Now let's swirl it. Look at that.
Oh,
That's freaking awesome. You see that?
I'm like, oh shit.
That looks awesome. GG. Yeah, you were like, oh. Look at that. Look at it.
Sorry.
I know, I have to do that. Now make a bubble.
Let's see how big this bubble can get. Maybe it can get 10 feet. No, that's impossible.
That's not fair. I gotta pop it. I have to.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. Not for today's video. We're gonna do like 5. Okay.
More than 5.
I'll see you next time.
So here's a slime.
Peace.